Hey guys, this is the beginning video for the week 2 of our no lessons, and you are going to be working on dotted chord notes for this week. As you can see, I emailed 2 etudes. The first one is repeating each line, so you can play it as many times as you want. In the video that I made so that you can play along with, I just played it once, just so you can make sure you check your rhythms and make sure you know what they sound like, but you can definitely play them as many times as you want. And then on the bottom one, it's supposed to be played all together without repeats. So you're supposed to just go from measure to measure. So let's talk about the dotted chord note for those of you who maybe haven't seen that or just need a little bit of a review. The dotted chord note is longer than a regular quarter note. The dot adds half of the note's value to the note. So a quarter note is usually worth 2/8 notes. A dotted chord note is worth 3/8 notes. So if I were to write in the counts on this, this would be the 1. There is no 2. It's in this space. So then you're not playing again until the and. The same thing here. You're playing on 3. There is no 4. You're playing on the and. So that rhythm sounds 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You have to think of those eighth notes, but you don't get to play on them. Then down here I do the same rhythm, but I do it with an eighth note rest. But it's going to sound the same as this. And that's what that whole first line is working on eighth note rest and dotted chord notes for that whole first little etude. The second one down here, just keep in mind you're in 2 now. So just as a quick review for people who don't know, might need a little help with that. 2/4 means that you have 2 chord notes in a measure. So you have 2 beats, the chord note gets the beat. So for every one of these measures, you're just counting 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I did make a recording of me playing this. So if you need to go listen to that, you can check and follow along and try to play with it so you can check your rhythms. But it uses your dotted chord notes and you have your eighth note rest. So in this measure, you would count this on beat 1. There is no beat 2. And then this is the and. So that second measure would sound 1 and 2 and. Right? So you don't get to play until the and. Okay, so that is your homework for this week, is to work on your dotted quarter notes if you're a beginning level student. If you have any questions with that, just send me an email, send me a message. I would be more than happy to talk with you guys while we're not having lessons. Have a nice week, everybody.